Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making soft, amazing donut, and I think you should try it when you have the time. So let's get right into it. So here's all you will need. You will need milk, yeast 5 grams, and sugar. I'll be using 30 grams of sugar and 360 grams of flour and 160 grams of milk, which I poured into the cup, and a pinch of salt, vanilla for flavor, and butter and egg. So I'll be using 30 grams of butter. So you should use room temperature milk and also room temperature butter. So you would mix to form a lump with a spoon, then you use your hands to make a dough. So now we'll go in with our hand and we'll knead it properly for 20 minutes. I've been kneading for 10 minutes and you can see how soft it's getting already. 10 more minutes to go. So I've been kneading for 15 minutes and the dough is becoming super soft. 5 more minutes to go. So right now I've been kneading for 15 minutes and I will incorporate my room temperature butter. So after putting the butter, you would think as if it won't mix together, but just keep kneading it. With time, it will all come together. So we'll knead it for 15 minutes again. So we incorporate the butter into our mixture properly. So this is what it looks like after 30 minutes of kneading completely. So very soon I will cover it and allow it to proof for 1 hour. I will put oil so it doesn't stick when it's rising. Just a bit. For 1 hour. See you in 1 hour. So it's been up to an hour, so let's see how our donut is doing. Amazing, right? So you can see how it went in. So right now, on a lightly floured surface, So now we'll knead it. So now we'll divide the dough, then we'll use each piece to make a donut. After getting our desired shape, we'll then cover it to proof for 20 minutes. So it's been over 20 minutes now, and here's our donut. Looks amazing. So let's bore some holes in them. Right? So this is what I'll be using to bore the holes on them. So let's see how it will be. Middle. So you can use whatever you have to get the shape. If you have a donut cutter or whatever, just use it to make your desired shape. I urge you to subscribe to this channel and like for my effort. Thank you. So it's been over 10 minutes and our donut is ready to be fried. So for the heat, you will put the heat on medium to low, because you don't want the oil to be so hot that it burns, like that the outside of the donut cooks but the inside doesn't. So you want to cook it under a low medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Boom. So you can see our donut is coming out perfectly. You can see. Nice. Oh, it's so hot. I'm so excited. Yeah, have a look. Amazing! Give this video a like, please. So here we are. Our donut is very ready, very ready. You can see here, they look so amazing. Let me try to focus on this. You see, they look so nice. I bet they'll taste good. But right now, I would like to glaze it, and I have some special toppings for this. So I'll be using this for experiment to show you how good it is. Let me focus. You see? You see? It's good, it's done, it's perfect. Amazing. These donuts are just the best. They look so nice, and I don't even know if I should eat them because they look so beautiful that I can't imagine someone taking a bite out of this donut. But some people will try it, and I'll post the video of them enjoying my donut. So like and subscribe and share this video, please. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Peace.